back to my channel. My name is Angel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys two of my newest handbag purchases. You guys, these handbags are absolutely gorgeous. And the bags that I'm talking about are Coach bags, you guys. Like, these are Coach bags looking like this. Yes, ma'am. Let's go ahead and talk about her first. Let's talk about this one. So this one is kind of like an off-white. They call this one, this was actually in the shade Chalk. So this is Coach's shade Chalk, and it is their mini Sierra bag. This bag retails for $294.99. I purchased this bag off of the Coach outlet, you guys, so I literally got this bag for like less than half of the price, I would say. Y'all, this bag is gorgeous. Like, she is gorgeous, like with some all white, some denim, a white tee. Oh my god, gorgeous. She is absolutely beautiful. I love that it comes with an actual little pocket on the back. I hope I'm holding it up, you guys can see, but it's like this little pocket on the back. It's the details for me, sis, because even when I'm out shopping or I'm out doing something, I can just stick my debit card or some cash or whatever I'm using. Like, say that the line is really long, I don't have time to put all my stuff back in my wallet. I can just kind of slip my wallet, my debit card in there until, you know, I can actually put it back where it goes. Y'all, she gorgeous. And then she has the Coach logo right here along with the horse and carriage. And this is kind of like, I don't want to say engraved, but it is like you can feel it. I don't know if I'm making sense, but it's not engraved. Like, it's beautiful. The detailing is absolutely gorgeous. So I also got this charm that I purchased too. It is beautiful, you guys. It's just a Coach bag charm that also has the horse and carriage on it as well. And I just kind of stuck it on the bag because I have been loving bag charms lately for some reason. So along with the actual leather Coach tab that comes with it, I just decided to go ahead and pick this one up so I can rock this when I'm rocking the bag. So let me show you guys what is inside of the bag. And this is also an arm bag as well as a crossbody bag and a shoulder strap bag. Inside, it does have a 2 pockets on it, and I also just keep the cards that come with the purse inside the purse, like the care instructions talking about the leather and how to care for the bag. The inside of the bag is just like a material that will be that seems to be easy to wipe out, like if you were to have a spill, so it's not suede or anything. And then I also have the actual strap that comes with the bag, like if you want to wear it as a crossbody or if you want to wear it as a shoulder bag. And then inside of my purse, I just also had this inside. I actually ordered this along with some other stuff, y'all. I went crazy on the Coach website, and I don't know if they have like new designers or something, but Coach is like coming out with some fire stuff. Like, it's fire. Like, the whole brand, the designer team is amazing, y'all. Like, they are just making a comeback, sis, because I love Coach. Like, if you ask me what type of shoes I wore in junior high school, I wore Coach and Ed Hardy shoes. I never was like I don't want to say hard sneaker type of person, like Jordans and stuff like that. I just wore like girly stuff, basically. So I also picked this up, and this is just the Coach wristlet. I also got this one. It's in the signature canvas, and it also has the chalk leather as well. So it's the same color as the bag, essentially. So I got this because when I want to put things like a lip gloss or some lotion and stuff, I put that type of stuff in these wristlets because I do want to take good care of the inside of my bags, you guys. I want to make sure they last a really long time. And I just really like to baby my bags and make sure that I take really good care of them. But this was the first baby, and she is, let me get her right, she gorgeous. She's gorgeous. So I also ordered this same bag in the color black. I thought that it would be a very nice everyday type of bag. And black, you cannot go wrong with black at all. Like, I love black. But since I have that MCM bag, if you watch my vlogs, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one in black. I don't know. Y'all let me know. I guess you can never have too many purses, right? So the next bag I have is this Coach bag right here. Let me see what this one's called. This one is the Signature Tilly Satchel. Satchel. Why did I say it like that? Satchel. And this one is in the light khaki blossom. So they're calling this pink color blossom. Y'all, she is gorgeous. She comes with one handle. I love the gold hardware on her. The other bag also had gold hardware. I feel like all of my handbags have gold hardware. So yeah, this is a top handle bag, and this bag can also be worn as a crossbody and as a shoulder bag as well. So I also got this little lock. I told y'all I have been into charms lately, so I got this little charm. It originally just comes like this, but I actually picked up this little Victoria's Secret charm, you guys. It's pink, and it also has like this snake print pattern on it, and it's gold. It's just gorgeous. It's heavy. Like, it's a really good it's good. It's good, sis. So this is how I'll be wearing this bag for the most part. Is like a top handle bag. So let me open it up so you guys can see what comes inside. And look how gorgeous it is on the side. It has like the Coach logo with the horse and carriage on this side. Like, she is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And this bag also does have the standard Coach canvas on the back. And it does have like this back pocket as well. So if you are on the go and you're moving, you can have somewhere to kind of slide things until you get them where they normally would go. So the thing that I liked about this bag the most, is, y'all know, it's the red for me, sis. I mean, it's the red for me. Like, when I saw that this had red in the inside, it's more like a burgundy, actually. I'm not sure how it's coming off on camera. But when I saw that it had burgundy inside, I was sold. Add to cart, purchase right now. Buy it now, sis. So it has like this burgundy interior in it, and that's just pretty much the papers that come inside of it. It also comes with this zipper, so you can put things that you don't want just out in the opening. And it also has this little side pocket right here, where I just pretty much keep my cards and everything like that as well. Now, the difference between the bag that I just showed you guys versus this one, this is actually a suede type of material, so you definitely want to make sure you're taking good care of this bag. And you want to make sure that you're not going to have any liquids like sanitizer and lotion, perfume, anything that's going to spill out and ruin the actual the suede of this bag. And then this is just the pink strap that comes with the bag. Like I said, you can wear it as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it for these gorgeous handbags that I purchased off Coach. And this one actually retails for $398. And I probably got this one for less than half the price as well. You guys, get on Coach outlet. Like, there were like a few little things that I could tell maybe why it was on the outlet, but it's nothing crazy, nothing that bothered me that much, especially for the price. So y'all, get on the Coach outlet website, see what they got, sis. And I actually ordered mine when they had a better sale than what they have actually now. But I just wanted to go ahead and get this video out so you guys can just kind of see what they have on their website. And if you wanted to get one of these bags, that hopefully it will still be available. So that is pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this handbag video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Again, I have one hand because I'm holding my bag, sis. And if you like the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. Y'all remember to be blessed. Y'all please be safe. Follow your dreams. And I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.